Borthakur IAS Academy, an endeavor of excellence.
Borthakur IAS Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome to another session of newspaper analysis at Borthakur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. Today we will be analyzing some of the important news from the Assam Tribune dated 5th April 2021 along with some other news. In the description box below, we have provided the link for the e-paper, that is the Assam Tribune of today, 5th April 2021, so that you can download it from there. Please like and share this video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ajir jitu first news hoy, it is from the editorial section which emphasizes the emerging water crisis of Guwahati. See friends, news related to air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, water scarcity, okay, environment related jibur news thake ebur ajit ke agote moi more previous jibur analysis ase tate bahut bar moi discuss korisu. Yate notun ke facts based kono dhoroner tenekwa news nai, kintu mon koribologia kotha etue je Guwahati lies on the bank of the river Brahmaputra, right? Every year we have to face the problem of flood. Banpanir karne kiman okhubidha amar hoy protecto barikhat, right? Kintu holeo jetia we see the problems like water crisis. It looks so odd, right? Iman Brahmaputra iman usorte thaka jaga etare jodi panir okhubidha hoy tetia hole baki bilak jagat kenuko hobo compared yate to amar plains hoy, river valley, flood plain hoy, yate jodi water crisis hoy, then think about the other landforms, deserts ot kenuko obostha hobo sage, tat kenuko dhoroner problem face koribologia hobo. But the thing is, water and water fit for consumption are two different things, right? Groundwater jitu groundwater table hoy tar pro ami bahut khini pani byabohar koru yate in Guwahati. Yare jikhini pani ami use koru tat mostly fluoride aru arsenic poa jay in most of the areas. Panjabari bisheshke tat to fluoride or percentage to bahut besi high compared to other areas of Guwahati. And tar logote Chanmari, Lasit Nagar, Kahilipara, enekwa dhৰণৰ জাগাত মানুহবিলাকে গোটেই বছৰটোত পানী running water নাপায়, তেওঁলোকে কিনি খাব লাগে, right? So ebur jipur problem, ebur ami as a society, as responsible members of the society, we need to focus on these points. Eta elections or time candidates bilake bahut কথাত আমাক প্রমিস করে, বহুত ভাল ভাল আমাক অফার্স তেওঁলোকে দেখুৱায়. সো এইটো সময়তে দিস ইজ আ ভেরি কারেক্ট টাইম টু to make people aware of it. Okay, আমাৰ যিবোৰ ক্যান্ডিডেটস আহে তেওঁলোকৰ আগত এই ধৰণৰ এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ problems were exposed koribo lage, right? Because we have to deal with it. Gote bosortu we have to face this problem. Fluoride ba arsenic thaka pani is not fit for consumption. Etur karone manhor bahut bemar hoy, and the worst thing we all know is death, right? So this is a slow poison. Jodi water is the essence of life, we cannot do without water, and it is not that water is only required for drinking. We need it for irrigation, for cooking, for sanitation, so many other purpose, right? So he karne jodi the quality of water is not good, jodi tat kunba dhoroner elements, toxic material thake, then that acts as a slow poison for our body. So we have to be very conscious. Etia bortoman 30% of the people who resides in Guwahati, they have access to pipe water, but hollow hey to pipe water quality hoy, that is also not very good. Okay, tato bahut polluting agents thake, groundwater pro bahut polluting agents ahe a pipe water bilakot, right? So hey karone as citizens of Guwahati, we should be conscious, and we should always opt for options which will provide us good quality water. And also etu amar jikhini administration hoy local level ote hok mane city level ot jikhini administrations amar ase unit তেওঁলোকৰ আগত আমি এই যেটো আমাৰ problem হয় clean drinking water, safe water for consumption or যেটো আমাৰ problem হয় হেতু আমি arise কৰিব লাগে. And this particular time of election is a peak time to expose this issue and to get necessary actions to be implemented in this regard. Next news to hoise regarding the Global Gender Gap Report of 2021. This report is prepared by the World Economic Forum. And what is World Economic Forum? It is an international organization for public as well as private cooperation. And this was established in the year 1971, and its headquarters are at Geneva, Switzerland. And this global gender gap report, it was first prepared in the year 2006, and yet 156 countries participate kore. Okay, 156 countries are consider kora hoy, and they are judged on 4 dimensions. Okay, আৰু সেই 4টা ডাইমেনশন হৈছে পলিটিক্যাল এম্পাৱাৰমেন্ট, হেলথ এণ্ড সাৰ্ভাইভেল, এডুকেশনাল এটেইনমেন্ট এণ্ড ইকনমিক পাৰ্টিচিপেশন এণ্ড অপৰচুনিটি. কিমানখিনি women of one particular country they are politically active, okay, they are working in the political sector, okay. Then health and survival, sex ratio কেনেকুৱা, কিমানখিনি women nor jitu nutritional level হয় বা health wise how they are doing, okay. Mortality rate কেনেকুৱা হেখিনি সোৱা হয়. এডুকেশনাল এটেইনমেন্ট, হাউ এডুকেটেড দে আৰ, কোন লেভেললৈকে তেওঁলোক এডুকেট হয়, লিটাৰেসি ৰেটটো কেনেকুৱা হয় এটো ডিসাইড কৰা হয়. এণ্ড ইকনমিক পাৰ্টিচিপেশন এণ্ড অপৰচুনিটি, এমপ্লয়মেন্ট ৰেচিঅ'টো কেনেকুৱা, হাউ ৱেল দে আৰ কন্ট্ৰিবিউটিং টু দ্য ইকনমিক, অ'কে, টু দ্য নেশ্যনছ ইকনমি. চ' এইখিনি চেক কৰি এইখিনি ক্ৰাইটেৰিয়া লৈ পেলাই এই যিটোখন গ্লোবেল জেণ্ডাৰ গেপ ৰিপৰ্ট হয় এইখন প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰা হয়. এণ্ড হাইয়েষ্ট পচিবল স্ক'ৰ হৈছে 1, which means equality, okay, men and women are treated equally in that particular nation, and the lowest possible score is 0, which is inequality. India's position hoise 140 among 156 country, which is not at all a good figure, okay. Your position 28 places degrade hoise India's position compared to last year. 28 places tolole ahi pelai it has ranked 140 among 156 country. And this is India is one of the worst performers of Southeast Asia. Amar uporat ase Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bhutan. আৰু ইণ্ডিয়াৰ মানে যেটো 2020 ৰেংক আছিল ইট ওয়াজ 112. ইণ্ডিয়াই এইটো প্ৰবলেম এইটো যেটো প্ৰিন্সিপল অফ জেন্ডাৰ ইকুৱালিটি এই ইস্যুটোক এড্ৰেছ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান স্কিমছ লঞ্চ কৰিছিলে, which includes the বেটি বচাও বেটি পঢ়াও, উজ্জ্বলা স্কিম, okay, one stop center, OSC scheme jitu kwa hoy. So these are some of the initiatives which were launched by the government, but still you know the figures itself are proof, okay, je yat iman besi gender equality nai. We are facing a problem. We are there is like inequality in almost all the spheres. Our age kita 4ta dimensions hoy, these are the most important criteria, right? So he karne we will have to work way more on it to give better standards of life to the females of our nation. The next news is regarding the National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. Now first of all, what this policy aims at, it aims to providing health facilities, treatment facilities to those people who are suffering from rare diseases, okay. Aru tar karone teoloke jitu price range hoy it has also been increased, okay, mane etu jitu support teoloke provide kore government tor falor pra, that has been increased from 15 lakh to 20 lakh. But then the caregivers are of the opinion that this does not reflect the actual cost of the treatment. Teolokor mote koa mote je actual jitu cost hoy a particular disease bilakor treatment or karone, that is higher than this particular rate. And moreover not everybody like genuine jibur patients hoy teoloke bahut khetrot a particular scheme bur teoloke avail koribo nware, okay. So etu eta mane advocacy groups kisumane enকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথাটো দাঙি ধৰিছে. And the rare disease patients, okay, they will be provided one time treatment under the ABPMG, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. এই যিবোৰ যোজনা থাকে এইবোৰৰ নামবোৰ মন কৰিবলগীয়া, okay, যেটো আগতে মই PM কুসুমৰ কথা কৈছিলো, দেন এবাৰ এটো যেটো ABPMJ হয় এই নাম কেটা আপোনালোকে মনত ৰাখিব আৰু কনটেক্সট মনত ৰাখিব কিহৰ বেসিছত এই নামবোৰ ইউজ কৰা হৈছিল. আগৰটো আছিল ৰিনিউৱেবল সোৰ্সেস, okay, ৰিনিউৱেবল পাৱাৰ সোৰ্সেস, আৰু এবাৰৰ হৈছে ৰেয়াৰ ডিজিজ. সো এটো হৈছে আয়ুষ্মান ভাৰত প্ৰধান মন্ত্ৰী জন আৰোগ্য Yojana. Aru yar beneficiaries bila okol limited nohobo je below poverty level hobo laibo tenuka dhonor kono limitations nai, and 40% of the population who will be eligible to avail this policy, okay, they will be provided with this particular, they will like get the benefits of this particular scheme. Aru what are rare disease? Eta prothom kotha to hoise je disease aru rare disease yar majot eta distinction thakibo definitely, right? Aru tar bhitorte he 23 ta jitu norms hoy hetu fulfill koribo laibo, then only an individual will be eligible to get this particular beneficiary scheme, okay? So yar jitu rare disease, what are rare disease? These are also termed as orphan diseases, and mostly these are genetic, okay, genetic disease, and they like enekwa kisman disease hoy jor symptoms bilak immediately after birth keteba reflect na hoy. It takes some time to like for the family members or the individual to know that that person is suffering from such rare diseases, okay, and these are mostly genetic, and they are present in that person's body throughout their life. So yar mazot kisuman jibur mane examples dia hoise, those includes spinal muscular atrophy, cystic fibrosis, okay, then also known as the also another disease is primary immunodeficiency disorder, then বহুত এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ডিজিজ ইয়াতে বহুত কেটা নাম আছে, মই কেটামান নাম জাস্ট আপোনালোকৰ আগত কৈ দিছো। সিস্টিক ফাইব্ৰোসিস, দেন প্ৰাইমাৰী ইমিউনোডেফিচিয়েন্সি ডিসঅৰ্ডাৰ্স, ওকে, দেন লাইসোজোমাল ষ্টৰেজ ডিসঅৰ্ডাৰ্স, দেন ইয়াত আছে আৰু এটা আছে মেপল সিৰাপ ইউৰিন ডিজিজ বুলি কোৱা হৈছে, দেন লাষ্ট ইজ স্পাইনেল মাস্কুলাৰ এট্ৰফি। So a particular disease bilakor jibur mane patients hoy teoloke they will receive a one time treatment under this Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The next news is regarding the Article 244A of the Constitution, which is important for because it is a news related to Assam, okay, and also for APSC, both for APSC as well as UPSC aspirants. Now what is Article 244A? Article 244A, under this article, it allows for creation of an autonomous state within Assam in certain tribal areas, and this also provides for creation of local legislature or council of ministers or both to carry out local administration. এই আৰ্টিকলটোৱে লোকেল এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন প্ৰভাইড কৰে এখন ষ্টেটৰ ভিতৰত, মানে অসমৰ ভিতৰতে অটোনমাস ষ্টেট ক্ৰিয়েট কৰাৰ সুবিধাটো প্ৰভাইড কৰা হৈছে, ওকে, এণ্ড দিছ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ আৰ্টিকল ইট ৱাজ inserted in the year 1969 under the 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act. A particular jitu amendment asile 22nd Constitution Amendment Act asile etu monot rakhibo apnaloke when it comes to Article 244A, okay, and also it accounts for more autonomous powers to the tribal areas than the 6th schedule. 6th schedule ke basi comparatively autonomous powers dia hoise tribal areas bilakok, okay, aru mane he jibur power teoloke provide korise, it is mane one of these powers is the control over law and order. In the autonomous councils under the 6th schedule, teolokok kono dhoroner jurisdiction of law and order dia na jay, but under this particular Article 244A they are given more powers, okay, that is the control over law and order. Now 6th schedule or kotha jodi ami kau, then what it is a schedule of the Constitution which provides administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram in order to safeguard the rights of the tribal population in these states, okay. Aru special provision provide kora hoy under Article 244(2) and Article 275(1) of the Constitution. Aru India Ohomor kunketa 6th schedule underot kunketa districts pore, they are the hill districts of Dima Hasao, Karbi Anglong and West Karbi, and also the BTR, that is the Boro territorial region, okay. And why this particular Article 244A of the Constitution was in news? Because of the demand for an autonomous state within Assam, which was raised by some of the sections of the society of Assam. Aru a particular নিউজটোৰ বেকগ্ৰাউণ্ডৰ কথা যদি আমি চাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে it reflects on the formation of Meghalaya. Okay, Meghalaya got statehood in the year 1972 and in 1950 first demand to raise kora hoisile for a separate hill state, okay, which arose under certain sections of the tribal population of Assam, okay, surrounding tribal sections, and that like prolonged agitation it resulted in Meghalaya, the state of Meghalaya, okay, in the year 1972. Aru hei samoya Karbi Anglong aru North Kachar Hills, they were given the option either to stay in Assam or to join Meghalaya, and at that point of time they stayed back in Assam because they were promised certain powers including the Article 244A. Next, at a horu news ase regarding the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. A program to as the name suggests, it aims at providing the employment opportunities in the rural as well as urban areas, and it particularly provides the entrepreneurs to set up their factories or units. Yar kisuman eligibility criteria ase like any individual above 18 years of age he can apply, okay, and only the new ideas or projects they will be considered for sanction of loans. Government of India etu approve korisile a credit linked subsidy program asile actually etu Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program too, which was introduced in the year 2008 for generating employment opportunities. Aru yar jitu national level or nodal agency hoy, its name is KVIC, that is the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, which is a statutory organization under the control of Ministry of MSME. Aru it was established under the Act of Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act of 1956. Okay, and this particular program, this scheme can prove beneficial at the time of COVID-19 pandemic, okay, when the economy needs to recover from its harsh impacts. And if timely implement of the funds is done, okay, for executing the projects and the new ideas, then it can provide good employment opportunities in the rural as well as urban areas and can make the lives of people easier. So let's quickly have a look at the capsule news for today. These news are important from prelims as well as other competitive examinations point of view. So the first news is, first farm-based solar power plant in Rajasthan. Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation Limited commissioned the country's first farm-based solar power project in Jaipur, and this project is launched under the PM Kusum scheme. PM Kusum scheme ki hoy hetu ami oloban discuss korilo yete. Kusum stands for Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan, and it mainly aims in involving decentralized solar power production up to 28,250 megawatts. This scheme will provide an additional income for the farmers, okay, and by setting up the solar power projects on their barren lands, and also if implemented properly, this scheme can be an ultimate game changer for the energy security and the rural economy in India. PM Kusum scheme was launched by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy for installation of solar pumps and grid connected solar and other renewable power plants for farmers. Renewable sources of energy kiman important hoy etia amar karone hetu aru besi discuss koribo laga actually eko nai, because of the rising pollution we have to switch to these renewable sources, and if the non-renewable sources becomes exhaust, then we won't have any other source of energy, right? So etiar pra ami will have to work on the renewable power sources. How can we generate energy from those sources? These are also environment friendly, so it's important for us to switch to these renewable sources of energy as soon as possible. And this particular project, it aims to add solar and other renewable capacity of 25,750 megawatts by the year 2022. And the second capsule news for today is regarding the forest fire at Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. This particular tiger reserve is located on the extreme northeastern border of Madhya Pradesh and lies on the northern edge of the Satpura mountain ranges. Previously, a similar incident was reported at the Odisha's Simlipal Reserve, Tiger Reserve. এইটো Simlipal Tiger Reserveৰ ফৰেষ্ট ফায়াৰ্ছৰ বিষয়ে মই আগতে মেনশ্যন কৰিছিলোঁ আগৰ এনালাইচিছত আৰু এইবাৰ বান্ধৱগড় টাইগাৰ ফৰেষ্ট ফায়াৰ ইজ a matter of concern for the environmentalists and the conservationists. So let's have a look at today's questions. Question number 1, what are rare diseases? How do they spread? Number 2, what do you mean by urban floods? Number 3, 6th schedule has been successful in protecting the tribal culture and inclusivity. Critically analyze. Number 4, comment on India's performance in the latest Global Gender Gap report. And the last question for today is an essay topic, India's role in shaping the post-COVID world order. This is your essay topic for today. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again tomorrow with another session of newspaper analysis only at Borthakur IAS Academy, Northeast's premier institute for UPSC and APSC preparation. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS একাডেমি প্ৰস্তুতি আৰু অধ্যয়নৰ নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য ঠিকনা
বৰঠাকুৰ IAS Academy